Hey guys, what's up? So this is my 1-minute tip for this week. It's gonna be about magic hour. If you don't know what magic hour is, or otherwise known as golden hour in photography, magic hour is the time of which before sunrise or after sunset, when the light is evenly diffused and it creates for some beautiful imagery. You can't see the sun in the sky, there's no or very little shadows. It's great for lighting. You got even light, it's smooth, it looks good, it's really sharp, it's clean. Look at this sunset. You can't get that at a normal hour. That's a beautiful sunset right there. True magic hour is a little bit of a misnomer. It really only lasts for about 25 minutes. Now during those 25 minutes, you have to make use of every second you have. So if you're gonna shoot a magic hour, you gotta know you're only gonna have about 25 to 30 minutes to get your magic, and then you're gonna run out of time. So shoot quick, shoot smart, and plan and schedule. It's also super important to keep tabs on your color temperature. Color temperature is gonna change rapidly as the sun sets. It's not gonna be the same. So a good color temperature is keeping your number between 6500K to 7500K to get that little shady middle ground, and you should be okay. Now ISO. ISO is super important for your camera, and you're gonna wanna understand how to use it in this setting. You never really wanna go above where your native ISO is, where it's gonna start getting a little grainy and create like some particles on your screen, and you're not gonna get that realistic magic hour feel that the light is offering to you. Keep check on your ISO, don't go too high on it. So anytime you're shooting magic hour, keep in mind, you only have so much time, but it's gonna create some beautiful imagery. I love shooting a magic hour. The few times I had the opportunity to, we created magic, baby. Have a great time shooting a magic hour. It's gonna create some beautiful images. Subscribe, like, comment.